Now we will solve this question. Consider a particle moving along x-axis. The acceleration of the particle as a function of velocity is given as a is equal to minus kv and k is a positive constant. Particle starts from origin with initial velocity u. Find velocity of the particle at a distance x from origin. Velocity as a function of time t. Plot a rough acceleration versus position graph. So we are given a is equal to minus kv. Here a is the acceleration, so it can be written as dv by dt is equal to negative of kv. Okay, so now we'll just rearrange the terms, that is dv upon v is equal to minus k times dt. Now if we integrate this expression, we will get velocity as a function of time. Okay, so integrating dv by v is equal to negative k integration of dt. So solving the integral, we get ln modulus of v is equal to minus k t plus c. Here c is the integration constant. Now it is given that initial velocity of the particle is u. So at t is equal to 0, v is equal to u. So now we substitute this condition in this equation and we will get ln modulus of u is equal to negative of k times 0 plus c. So we get c as ln mod u. So now we substitute the value of c in this equation again, and the resulting equation is ln mod v is equal to negative of kt plus ln u. Now we will just rearrange it. Ln mod v minus ln u is equal to negative of kt. This becomes ln mod v by u is equal to minus kt. Okay, so this can also be written as is equal to exponential of minus kt. Okay, and since the value of exponential function is always positive, so v is equal to u exponential of negative kt. Exponential can also be written as e raised to power minus kt. Okay, so this is v as a function of t. Now for finding v as a function of x, what we will do is, we know acceleration is equal to dv by dt. Now we will multiply and divide by dx. So this comes out to be v dv by dx. Okay, this is a very standard result. So in the given question, a is equal to minus of kv. Now in terms of acceleration, we will use v dv by dx. That is v dv by dx is equal to minus kv. So v cancel, gives us dv is equal to minus k dx. Okay, so now we integrate it. Integration of dv is equal to minus k integration of dx. This will come out to be v is equal to minus kx plus c2. Here c2 is the integration constant. So for finding c2, we know in the question it is given that the particle starts from origin and its initial velocity is u. So at x equal to 0, v is equal to u. So now we will just plug this information into the above equation and we get is u is equal to negative of k times 0 plus c2, that is simply c2 is equal to u. Therefore our main equation becomes v is equal to negative of kx plus u. This is the velocity as a function of its position x. Now in the question we also have to plot acceleration versus position graph. So how we will do that? In the given question it is given a is equal to minus kv. Now we substitute v as minus kx plus u, which will give us acceleration as a function of position, that is a is equal to negative k u minus kx. So further rearranging, we will get a is equal to k square x minus k u. Okay, now this is the equation of straight line. So in order to plot it, I'll just make a 2D axis here. So now consider acceleration as this axis and position as this axis. So now for plotting this, we need at least 2 points. That is, first I'll substitute x equal to 0 in this equation. I get a is equal to minus ku. Since k is a positive number, negative k times u will be a negative number. So it will be somewhat around here. And now if I substitute a is equal to 0, I get x as u by k. And that is a positive value. So the point lies somewhat here. Okay, now we just join these two. This is the acceleration versus position graph. So the question is solved. So thank you guys for watching the video. If you like the video, then do hit that like button and help the channel by sharing and subscribing to it. Thank you.